Insecurity with clear accountability for outcomes. Because security spending must deliver results to secure our country. Our priority will remain on increasing the fighting capability of our armed forces and other security agents, boosting the effectiveness of our fighting forces with cutting-edge equipment and other hardware. We will show no mercy. We will usher in a new era of criminal justice. We will show no mercy, I repeat, to those who commit or support acts of terrorism, banditry, kidnapping for ransom, and other violent crimes. Our administration is resetting the national security architecture and establishing a new national counterterrorism doctrine, a holistic redesign anchored on unified command, intelligence gathering, community stability, and counter-insurgency. This doctrine will fundamentally change how we confront terrorism and other violent crimes. Under this new architecture, any armed group or gun-wielding non-state actors operating outside the state authority will be regarded as terrorists. Bandits, militia, armed gangs, armed robbers, violent cults, forest-based armed groups, and foreign-linked mercenaries will all be targeted. We will go after all those who perpetrated violence for political or sectarian ends, along with those who finance and facilitate their evil schemes. On our human capital development, education and health, no nation can grow beyond the quality of its people. The 2026 budget strengthens investment in education, skills, healthcare, and social protection. In education, we are expanding access to higher education through the Nigerian Education Loan Fund. Over 780,000 students have been supported in partnership with 229 tertiary institutions nationwide. In healthcare, I'm pleased to highlight the investment in 6% of the total budget size, net of liabilities. I repeat, 6% of the total budget size, net of liability in healthcare infrastructure. We also appreciate the support of international partners, recent high-level engagements with the government of the United States. It has opened the door to a $500 million US dollars for health intervention across Nigeria. We welcome this partnership and assure Nigerians that these resources will be deployed transparently and effectively.
your fast, reliable, and simplified source for Nigeria news updates.